Okay, so there's a Canadian company called Equustek. They nobody's ever heard of them because they make mechanical, sort of like digital, I should say digital to analog switches for factories, right? Digital to analog bridges for factories, like control panels and stuff. And they're suing a copycat firm, actually probably worse than a copycat firm. From the details, it sounds like a total fraudster. What this fraudster did was they took Equustek parts, and then sort of like whited out the labels and sold them as their own. So worse than a counterfeiter, more like a total thief, right? Is like just whiting out the logo and saying this is our own stuff. So it's a thief. So what happened with Equustek is that it went to the Supreme Court and asked the Supreme Court to have Google, the search engine, wipe all trace of this fraudster from the internet. So that they can't sell these digital to analog bridges anymore that they're stealing from Equustek. But they want like the entire worldwide internet wiped of these people, these fraudsters, these thieves, right? And Google's like, well, we wiped about 300 web pages in Canada, but they kept popping up. So Equustek's like, no, you gotta wipe every trace like worldwide, and so that there's no trace of these fraudsters, these thieves worldwide. And then we'll put out a website in Canada, a Canadian website, hosted in Canada. And if you ever curious about these fraudsters, hopefully you're close to Canada. Also, these websites pop up. I'm just kidding. But the whole point is, our corporations now, like law officers, does Equustek have Interpol? Is Interpol chasing these thieves? Like Google is gonna wipe these websites, and the next day, if I can probably put up a new one from GoDaddy called Beastie Boys checkyourhead.com, a satire of the rap rebels of the late 80s, right? And take over that IP, take over that space on the internet. But is Interpol chasing these guys? Is this like Supreme Court Canada saying, let's fix the world through Google? Where's Interpol? Where's the Toronto Police Department? Where's the British Columbia Police Department? Where's LA Police Department? Where's Interpol? Where's CIA on this? All right, this is bullshit lawsuit. All right, I hate this fucking country. It's a goddamn necromancer country. Everybody's wearing a goddamn hood with like plugged into a Roku and go problem fixed, environment clean, UN hack. All right, it's a bullshit fucking country.